Come on.
Sure. Yes, sure. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Naturally. Um. No. Short.
Short.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Especially, where are you from? Where are you from? Yeah? I cannot hear you clearly. Please increase your loudspeaker. Are you from Pakistan? Pakistan. Your voice is slow, so slow. But why? Increase your voice, loudspeaker.
I am from Pakistan.
Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh.
Oh, hi.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, really. Do you live in your capital city, Islamabad? Are you from Islamabad?
No.
In which state?
Punjab.
Punjab. Okay, Punjab. Thank you so much. Just I am asking you, why is so famous? Why is so famous Punjab? Why is so famous?
Sorry, say again.
Why is so?
Yeah, Sunny, मैं
Yeah, really, this is your country, Pakistan. Your Pakistan country. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Especially, are you a student or do you study?
Yeah.
Are you a student? Okay. Just a school, college, or university student? School, college, or university student?
College.
College. Okay. Thank you so
Yes.
much. In which group do you study? In which group do you study in college level?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Big Hacker. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यार. Thank you.
Okay. Just you are going to win this PK. I think so far that you must be win. Yeah, really. Actually, what is your real name? What is your real name?
My real name is Prayal.
Faryal. This is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. I am too Muslim.
Okay. Now.
I am too Muslim. Yeah. Especially, how old are you?
Mashallah.
How old are you at present? How old are you?
What?
How old are you? Your age at present?
14.
14. Only 14 students. 14.
सनी मैं आपको फिर बताऊंगी इसका रिप्लाई बॉक्स में सनी अभी इधर खामोश रहे.
Please try
वेलकम
please.
मोहम्मद इब्राहिम.
I can
वेलकम किंग ऑफ आर्ट. वेलकम बैक करमान.
I can speak a little bit Urdu language. आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है?
What?
आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? I can speak a little bit Urdu language.
बिरयानी. चिकन बिरयानी.
Chicken biryani also.
चिकन बिरयानी.
Also, I like it most. But why do you like to
Yes.
eat? Why do you like to eat chicken biryani? But why? But why do you like to eat chicken biryani? It's taste so much delicious. It tastes so much delicious. That's why you like to eat chicken biryani.
Yes.
Okay. Also, this is it is my delicious food. means favorite food, chicken biryani. Please,
Yes.
come on to visit our beautiful country. Would you like to visit? Would you like to visit our beautiful country, Bangladesh? Would you like? Come on,
Sure. Yes, sure. Inshallah.
inshallah. Oh, already followed you. Already followed you. You can follow me in instant. Follow me. Follow me in instant. Follow me.
Okay.
Especially,
Okay.
I'm private teacher. I'm private teacher. I teach not only English but
Oh,
also
wow,
mathematics. Yeah, really. So, are you so much busy?
बिग हैकर 2 मिनट रुको फिर मैं लगा देती हूँ बिग हैकर इसके बाद मैं सॉन्ग लगा दूंगी ओके
Are you so much busy? Or
वैसे खत्म होने वाली
are you serious busy right now? Or free? Are you free or busy?
नो फ्री
Free. Okay. Just I am asking you some questions about yourself. How do you spend your free time? How do you spend your pastimes means a leisure time? How do you spend within 24 hours? Please share me. Please share me.
I watch movie dramas and cartoons
Cartoons. Do you like to watch cartoon? Most of
Yeah.
the time. Okay. Okay, thank you
I
so
like-
much. But why do you like to watch cartoons? Why do you like to watch more?
this question is very difficult
Difficult. Okay. Just
welcome
sometimes.
rocket jet welcome Gira.
Sometimes I watch English movie and just news, English news most of the time. When I get a free time, I watch. So
Oh nice
actually, your speaking skills after that are after all good, but you should speak. You should speak.
Thank you.
You should speak English speaking fluently and confidently. At first, I am giving you suggestion. You should practice English grammar more and more. You should practice English grammar from an expert
Thank
teacher.
you.
Yeah, really. If you don't know English grammar, you cannot speak English fluent. There is no way to increase or improve your English speaking without learning English or without learning grammar, without basic grammar. Especially you don't know, you cannot speak English fluently because this is an excellent English speaking books. Just I have many English books to improve myself. Every single day I practice English with foreigners. In this platform, in this Bigo,
सही इसके बाद
in this Bigo, in this platform, I practice all over the world people. All over the world people. Sometimes I speak with Americans, Latin Americans, just European, Australian, with
and
different people.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
सनी इसके बाद मैं आपके साथ पीके लगाती हूँ आपने आना है ओके सनी इसके बाद पीके लगाऊंगी मैं आपके साथ
Actually, your
आपको बड़ा
appearance,
वेट हो रहा है ना इसका रिप्लाई का
your appearance style is so much excellent. Your laughing style I like
थैंक
most.
यू थैंक यू
Oh, really? Actually,
वेलकम हो गया
how many siblings do you have? How many siblings? How many siblings do you have?
सॉरी से अगेन
How many siblings do you have?
टू सिस्टर
Two. Okay, okay. Actually, why is so many black your hair color? Why is so many black your hair color?
Naturally.
Nice. Excellent. How long is your
Don't care क्या हो गया है?
how long is your hair? How long? So much long. Here.
No, short.
Short. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Don't care, चुप कर जाओ. Don't care क्या हो गया है?
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy करें आप लोग नीचे बैठ के ना.
Actually, friend,
Thank you.
Actually-
Bye.
I am very busy. Yeah, of course, I am very busy for teaching my students. After finishing this live streaming, I will go to teach my students. Okay, bye. See you again next day. Allah Hafiz.